My son loves science and he really saw this kit and was really excited. This is a reward for a good report card, and we're going to go through and be doing some science experiments. Can't talk too loud because if he hears it and knows it's here, he's going to stop me and want to start doing them right away. So we'll give it to him probably tomorrow. So this comes with 120 different science experiments for your kids to go through and try out. Of course, you're going to be doing it with them. I'm going to go through and show some of these that we will record in this video just to give you an idea. There's a lot of different things. It's for ages 4 to 12. I went with the one that has a little more things because I want him to make sure he stays involved in science because I think it's a really good thing and I want him to continue to learn, and this is something he's very passionate about. So far the case, very solid. It's got a handle, which is great. 2 things to open it up. Tilt it. Don't hit me with it.
Overflow, 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 overflow.
Is it gonna work?
I don't know.
3, 2, 1. Oh, it worked.
Wow.
I'll hold it. You gotta be really still.
Why?
Cool, huh?
Yeah. Now it's.
Wow.
Now we
Because
can
of
dump
atmospheric pressure.
Atmospheric pressure?
So when we put water in, we want one pretty full, one a little less, a little less, a little less. You got it?
Okay.
Here you go.
Just one drop.
One drop's probably enough. Oh, that was a squirt.
I don't know how to do one drop.
It's okay, that works. Which one do you want next, yellow or red? Yellow, I got one.
Yeah. Why don't we put a little fluid?
Nope, go in the second one. After we're done with the experiment, you can mess with it more.
Well, I want a different color, which is orange. I want an orange color.
We can do that for the last one, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Third one's, since we don't have extra dye for the last one. Nice. How do you make orange? What colors?
Yellow and red.
Okay, go ahead and put some in the last one. Few things to note: make sure you wear all the safety gear that's included, and also put a tablecloth down. It's pretty messy if you don't, and if they have gloves and glasses, make sure you're using them. So you're supposed to tap them and they make different sounds.
Okay, let me see.
Not too hard on the blue.
Why?
Because it's pretty full. Hit it harder than that. Here, I'll hold it. Good. I hear it. They're all making different sounds because of the amount of liquid inside them.
And why does the color matter?
Just to make it look cool. Most of the stuff is included. However, there's a good list of things that are not included. I think the number one thing is boiling water. So make sure that you are able to go through and boil water for a lot of these experiments. Make sure it absorbs all the water. Is it getting like gooey like?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It looks very gooey. Oh, this is so ratty gooey.
Here, let me do it before they get to,
What?
I want to make sure they get all mixed in. They're absorbing really quick.
Yeah, they are. And we don't want to turn as hard as a rock before we are even ratty. Right?
Yeah. Wow, there we have it. all solid.